God have mercy upon us.
Okay guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You use portrait mode. After that, you walk in, can climb anywhere. The next thing you are going to be doing is to stand for a few seconds. After that, you do as if you are looking inside water. Then you can make your jump. Then you stay for a few seconds. You can now walk out. Okay, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, click on CapCut, click on new project there. You import your video to workspace. Click on your video now and locate volume. You reduce it to 0. Mark on this good, you go back. We need an empty background for this video, so you click here, locate freeze. We want to freeze this part. Click on freeze here now. Click on the first part and delete it. Click on this last part and locate overlay. Then you overlay it and click on the background and drag it to the duration. Click on the main video, the second layer, and drag it to the beginning. At this point, let's locate where we want this video to start from. So from this part, you click it and make a split. Make a split. Click on the first one and delete it. You click it again and drag it to the beginning. We want to locate where we want this video to end. Immediately you jump in, you click here and make a split and delete the last part. You come back and click on the second layer, the main video, and look for remove BG. Locate remove BG. Click on remove BG auto removal. Then you allow it to remove completely. As you can see that it is applying. All right. If you have any magic effect or CapCut tricks you would like us to create together, drop them at the comment section, and you might be lucky we pick yours. All right. Like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Now it has removed completely. You mark on this good and go back. Click on that arrow there, guys. You click on add overlay. Then you import this your C here. Click on volume. Then you reduce it to 0. Mark on this good and go back. You go and look for mask. Click on mask. Then you click on rectangle. Okay. Then you resize this your C level and crop the green part out. All right, bring it down so that the green part will go out completely. If you need it, you can DM me, I will send it to you. After that, you mark on this good here. Then you are going to be going back. Then you can use your hand now to expound it. After expounding it, you adjust it. Now look at it. You have created a C here. Look at it. You have created a C on that very place. So the next thing we are going to be doing now is immediately you jump up, you are going to click here now because we are going to be adding keyframe. So add keyframe, adjust it, then you drag yourself down. All right, so at the end now we are going to be playing it. Let us see what we have got so far. Good. Look at you jumping inside the C. Good. So at this point we are going to click on add overlay. Add overlay. You import this Mr. Man, this effect here, water splash effect. Import it. Click on splash. Click on filter. You mark on this good and go back. So now you want to use your hand to do the necessary adjustments. All right, you can decide to crop some part out. If you need it as well, you can DM me, I will send it to you. So what we are doing now is to resize this water splash so that it will look as if immediately you jump in, that the water now splash. You're jumping in, splash to the water. So you do your necessary adjustment. You can see me doing my normal adjustment. All right, after doing your adjustments to make the water thicker, we are going to be duplicate it and click it and bring it under this very one. All right, we are going to be duplicating it again. After aligning it, you click it for the second time and duplicate it again. All right, duplicate it again, still drag it under it. All right, so after dragging it now, this video I'm sure is ready. Okay, you just play it. Let us see what we have got. At this point we are going to be playing the video from the beginning to see what we have got so far. So you play the video from the beginning. Now this video is ready. Remember to add your sound effect, your light effect, and after adding your necessary effect, can now export the video to your gallery. If you don't know how to export them, DM me. I am going to put you through, as my numbers are description of that video. You click on export now, then you export your video to your gallery. Now this video I've installed in our gallery. You can now share it to social media handles. All right, like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. If you have any tricks or magic effects you would like us to create together, drop them at the comment section. If you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell and smash it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials. See you in our next video, guys. Thank you for watching.